See, when it comes to cooking, be open to learning, like learn and unlearn. Don't be those group of people that will be like, this is how I was taught. I was brought up cooking it this way. Our ancestors did it this way. So therefore, I'm doing it this way. Hello, this is 2025. When it comes to cooking, my utmost concern is health-wise, how healthy is what I'm cooking and how quick. Because I'm cooking for my family. They don't get time to check whether this one, that one, that one. All they want is for food to be served on time, breakfast served on time, lunch on time, and dinner on time. They don't send you how you take cook. Just make sure the food is tasty and served on time. My ogbono and egusi soup is ready, guys. Tell me, what swallow goes best with this soup? This is one of the combos I don't cook every time. I cook ogbono differently, I cook egusi differently, but bringing them together once in a while. Let me know your take on combining egusi and ogbono. I prefer combining my egusi and ogbono soup with fufu. You know, fufu now gotten from cassava, so this is how it looks when it's been prepped. So guys, look at all the proteins. Look at how this food is looking so yummy and delicious. Guys, this soup is so quick and easy, and it's one of those recipes that you might want to try, especially if you want to combine it with fufu.